Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 large eggs. A clean, spacious workspace is essential for the kneading process. Also, have a fork and a bench scraper nearby. These tools will help you mix and manage the dough effectively, setting the stage for delicious homemade pasta. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Form a well in the center of your flour pile. Crack the 2 eggs directly into this well. Using a fork, gently whisk the eggs, slowly drawing in flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the dough vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes. It should become smooth, elastic, and slightly firm to the touch, indicating it's ready for the next step. After kneading, the dough needs a little rest. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making it much easier to roll. Next, divide your dough into 4 equal portions. Take 1 portion and, using a pasta machine or rolling pin, roll it out very thinly, aiming for about 1 to 2 millimeters in thickness. Repeat for all portions. Finally, it's time to transform your sheets into delicious noodles. Cut the rolled pasta into your preferred shape, whether it's fettuccine, tagliatelle, or pappardelle. Lightly dust the cut pasta with flour to prevent it from sticking together. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add your fresh pasta and cook for only 2 to 4 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.